If you often encounter unexpected situations and want to be prepared for any situation, you should carry a multi-tool. Carrying a multi-tool opens up a whole world of problem solving and empowerment. It's like keeping a flashlight in your pocket. A good multi-tool delivers you quick access to many useful tools in one smooth, compact package that you can fit in your pocket. So, if you are looking for something to help you with do-it-yourself projects, trying to find the right tool in an emergency, or just looking for a good CANAD bottle opener, there is a multi-tool out there for you. Slide one in your pocket while you head out hiking, biking, or fishing, and you will be ready to tackle just about anything. Therefore, here is our selection of the 5 best amazing multi-tools regardless of your need.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
The Leatherman Free P4 is a wonderful general-purpose multi-tool with the latest and greatest in ergonomic function. The Leatherman Free P4 is designed with ease of use in mind. This P4 comes with 21 tools, and all these tools are different from one another, and they are designed specially to perform different operations. Also, its magnetic locking system allows smooth, quick access to tools. It feels really awesome to use and is pretty fun working out how to open and close each tool one-handed in a slick gunslinger style. The Free P4 measures 4.25 inches when closed. There is a straight blade and a serrated blade on the P4. Both are incredibly sharp and made from 420 HC stainless steel. Their measurement is 2.76 inches long and can be opened on opposite handles. The relatively light weight of the Free P4 is very impressive because its weight is only 8.6 ounces. Moreover, the Free P4 is covered by their 25 years warranty. Overall, it's a very helpful multi-tool which can perform almost every task for you. And if you are looking for a high-quality tool that is simple to use and will last many years, then the Free P4 will be the best choice. The Victorinox Swisstool Spirit X is a classic multi-tool that is going to provide you multiple purposes with a number of features that come with it. The multi-tool is solidly built, well-appointed, and polished to shine. The Swisstool Spirit X holds 24 different tools including wire cutters, pliers, screwdrivers, saw, file, and much more. This means that you can perform 24 different functions with a single multi-tool device. It's made of stainless steel of a high luster variety. The wire cutter in this tool helps you cut wires without putting a lot of effort. You can cut ideal lengths with this tool. This tool has a 3mm screwdriver, 6mm screwdriver, 2mm screwdriver, and a half Phillips screwdriver. This tool also delivers you a bottle opener, which is indeed very useful. There are 2 saws you are going to find in this multi-tool. One is a metal saw while the other one is a wood saw. The multi-tool's height is 0.7 inch and length is 4.1 inch. The weight of this multi-tool is 7.4 ounces. Therefore, this lightweight makes it easier for you to carry this tool in your pockets. Victorinox Swisstool Spirit X will provide you so many outstanding features that will do almost every single job of yours. So, the Victorinox Swisstool Spirit is probably one of the best full-sized multi-tools available in the market today. After establishing itself as the iconic brand of outdoor multi-tools, After establishing itself as the iconic brand of outdoor multitools, Leatherman has created SKIL, a compact multitool that includes 19 tools built for outdoor use. Leatherman's new SKIL multitool includes essential survival items. It has multiple features that are endemic to it and uniquely suited to outdoor adventures. It weighs in at just 7.5 ounces, making it exceptionally simple to keep on your person. It has collected 19 individual tools into a lightweight and compact body, among which are regular and needle nose pliers, a non-serrated knife, saw, can opener, bottle opener, wire cutters, hammer, safety whistle, diamond-coated sharpener, 1/4-inch hex bit driver, 1/4-inch box wrench, and 3/16-inch box wrench. These tools are made from 420 HC stainless steel, which is a high carbon form of 420 stainless steel. It's also coated in DLC that is applied for scratch and corrosion resistance. Also, the closed length of the tool is 4.5 inches and the main blade length is 2.73 inches. All in all, for the outdoors person who enjoys fixing even the smallest defects on their gear, the SKIL is an amazing and effective multi-tool, and its features are strong, sharp and durable. Gerber Center Drive Multitool is a tool designed for real-life heavy-duty work. This Gerber Center Drive Multitool features 16 tools and comes equipped with a more compatible coyote nylon sheath and a 12-piece tool bit set. Gerber is breaking new ground with their latest multi-tool design, which delivers the first-ever center axis bit driver for maximum torque and rotation. For home and vehicle projects, this multi-tool includes a lot of toolbox staples such as a fine-edged blade, a serrated blade, needle nose pliers with wire cutters and strippers, a pry bar with a nail puller, and a sheath of magnetic flathead and Phillips bits. Additional improvements and features include a one-thumb opening system with spring-loaded pliers, a 30% longer primary blade, and a tool lock to keep everything in place. The innovative locking driver design makes the tool feel and function like a full-size screwdriver. So the Gerber Center Drive is a tool aimed at people who want a quick fix and want to be ready for anything that comes their way. SKIL presents a super multi-tool that is compact and versatile, the SKIL PowerLock EOD. This unique tool has different functionalities. The quality makes it the best choice when it comes to comparison with other multi-tools available in the market. SKIL PowerLock EOD is a multi-tool that combines multiple tools under one sheath. It serves awesome when you need to perform any household fixes. The 420 stainless steel SKIL PowerLock EOD B61 has 18 tools in one and comes with a ballistic nylon sheath. This multi-tool's namesake comes from the inbuilt locking mechanism called PowerLock. This feature locks all tools with the press of a single button. Tools featured for this multi-tool are 1/4-inch hex bit driver, blasting cap crimper, knife, needle nose pliers, and scissors. The 18 tools to choose from add 5 4 fasteners, 3 sizes of flat screwdrivers, 1 Phillips screwdriver, and a 1/4-inch square drive to accept sockets. Overall, it's an amazing approach, the efficiency of executing a task, and its cost undoubtedly commendable. If you end up buying one, for sure you will never regret your decision.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.